Hey everyone, I'm here with an update on my Datapack implementation of Canadian's end relay idea. Boring stuff. I've made it more efficient, which is good because I added some features that made it less efficient. But I just switched from doing a bunch of things where I was checking every tick to having it be advancement driven for a handful of things. I've also updated the crafting to be a regular crafting recipe instead of a smithing recipe. I like the smithing recipes because you can set it up where the crafted item already has custom model data, whereas regular crafting, you have to do a knowledge book. But then moving into more exciting things, I've updated the texture to match Canadian's original idea more. The top is still a bit different because of how I'm handling compasses. So you can see here, if I put a compass in, there's a little dial on top that points to the lodestone. You can charge it and right-click to go to it still. But I've also added the ability to hook up hoppers. So if you hook up a hopper, place some end crystals in, it'll charge, it'll still make the charging sound, then you right click, and it takes you right to it. You can punch it to get the compass back, and then place another compass in. And then if your compasses are named, you can crouch to see where it's pointing. So this will take me to a tower. Over here I have a tower in an end city, and just to show recharges very quickly. It also burns through end crystals very quickly. I think the only other real changes are for braking. So I now have it set up where there's a block of obsidian inside the custom end relay block, which you normally can't get to. If you attack, the interaction entity gets in the way, but if you crouch, you can break the block. And yeah, it has the same break speed as obsidian, so efficiency pickaxes will break through it faster, and so on and so forth. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this update, and thank you for watching.